The Kawasaki Versys 650 is a well-rounded adventure bike that excels in versatility and comfort. Powered by a 649 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, it offers a smooth and manageable ride, whether you're navigating city streets or exploring off-road trails. Its adjustable windscreen, long travel suspension, and ergonomic design ensure a comfortable journey, making it a popular choice for both new and experienced riders. Kawasaki Versys 650 engine, 649 cubic centimeters parallel twin, for stroke. Power, approximately 68 horsepower. Torque, 64 Newton meters. Transmission, 6-speed. Fuel capacity, 21 liters. Seat height, 840 millimeters. Curb weight, 213 kilograms. Suspension, telescopic fork, front, offset laydown rear suspension. Brakes, dual 300mm discs, front, single 250mm disc, rear. Electronics, ABS, adjustable windscreen. The Honda NX500 is a fresh entry into the adventure market, boasting a 471 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine that balances power and fuel efficiency. Its lightweight design and nimble handling make it an excellent choice for both city commuting and off-road adventures. The NX500 features modern electronics, including traction control and riding modes, enhancing its adaptability to various riding conditions. Honda NX500 engine, 471 cubic centimeters parallel twin, for stroke. Power, approximately 47 horsepower. Torque, 43 Newton meters. Transmission, 6-speed. Fuel capacity, 13.5 liters. Seat height, 820 millimeters. Curb weight, 199 kilograms. Suspension, telescopic fork, front, Pro-Link rear suspension. Brakes, dual 310mm discs, front, single 256mm disc, rear. Electronics, ABS, traction control, riding modes. The CF Moto 800 is a noteworthy addition to the adventure segment, featuring an 800 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine that delivers strong performance and efficiency. Known for its affordability and feature-rich design, the CF Moto 800 includes advanced rider aids like traction control and multiple riding modes. Its sturdy construction and comfortable ergonomics make it a compelling choice for those seeking value without compromising on capability. CF Moto 800 engine, 800 cubic centimeters parallel twin, for stroke. Power, approximately 95 horsepower. Torque, 85 Newton meters. Transmission, 6-speed. Fuel capacity, 19 liters. Seat height, 820 millimeters. Curb weight, 220 kilograms. Suspension, inverted telescopic fork, front, adjustable rear suspension. Brakes, dual 320mm discs, front, single 260mm disc, rear. Electronics, ABS, traction control, multiple riding modes. A classic reborn for the modern era, the Suzuki DR800 Jebel combines vintage charm with contemporary updates. Known for its durable and reliable nature, the DR800 features a 779 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine that offers impressive torque and a rugged chassis designed to handle tough trails. It's a nod to Suzuki's legacy in adventure motorcycling, catering to purists and new riders alike. Suzuki DR800 Jebel engine, 779 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, for stroke. Power, approximately 50 horsepower. Torque, 65 Newton meters. Transmission, 5-speed. Fuel capacity 17 liters. Seat height 860 millimeters. Curb weight 192 kilograms. Suspension telescopic fork, front, monoshock rear suspension. Brakes single 300 mm disc, front, single 220 mm disc, rear. Electronics minimal, basic instrumentation. Returning to the classic V-Strom 650, this model remains a staple in the adventure segment due to its enduring reliability and performance. With its 645 cubic centimeters V-twin engine, it delivers consistent power and torque, complemented by a well-balanced chassis and dependable suspension. The V-Strom 650 continues to be a favorite among riders seeking a durable and capable bike for diverse riding conditions. Suzuki V-Strom 650 engine, 645 cubic centimeters V-twin, for stroke. Power, approximately 70 horsepower. Torque, 62 Newton meters. Transmission, 6-speed. Fuel capacity, 20 liters. Seat height, 835 millimeters. Curb weight, 216 kilograms. Suspension, telescopic fork, front, link-type rear suspension. Brakes, dual 310 mm discs, front, single 260 mm disc, rear. Electronics, ABS, adjustable windscreen. The Suzuki V-Strom 650 XT is a versatile adventure bike that offers a perfect blend of performance and comfort. Powered by a 645 cubic centimeters V-twin engine, it provides ample torque and smooth power delivery, making it ideal for both urban commuting and off-road escapades. Its rugged build and long-travel suspension ensure it handles rough terrain with ease, while its advanced electronics and adjustable windscreen add to rider comfort. Suzuki V-Strom 650 XT engine, 645 cubic centimeters V-twin, for stroke. Power, approximately 70 horsepower. Torque, 62 Newton meters. Transmission, 6-speed. Fuel capacity, 20 liters. Seat height, 835 millimeters. Curb weight, 216 kilograms. Suspension, telescopic fork, front, link-type rear suspension. Brakes, dual 310 mm discs, front, single 260 mm disc, rear. Electronics, ABS, traction control, adjustable windscreen. For those who prioritize long-distance touring with an adventurous twist, the Kawasaki Versus 1000 Touring is an exceptional choice. Its 1043 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine delivers robust power and smooth acceleration, while its advanced electronics package, including traction control and multiple riding modes, ensures a comfortable ride. The Versus 1000 Touring is equipped with hard luggage, cruise control, and a spacious windscreen, making it perfect for extended journeys. Kawasaki Versus 1000 Touring engine, 1043 cubic centimeters inline-4, for stroke. Power, approximately 120 horsepower. Torque, 102 Newton meters. Transmission, 6-speed. Fuel capacity, 21 liters. Seat height, 840 millimeters. Curb weight, 250 kilograms. Suspension, inverted telescopic fork, front, horizontal backlink rear suspension. Brakes, dual 310 mm discs, front, single 250 mm disc, rear. Electronics, ABS, traction control, cruise control, multiple riding modes. The BMW F750 GS is designed to provide a blend of performance and practicality. With its 853 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, it offers a smooth ride with ample power for various riding conditions. The F750 GS features BMW's advanced electronics, including traction control and a sophisticated suspension system, making it well-suited for both on-road and off-road adventures. Its comfortable ergonomics and customizable options add to its appeal. BMW F750 GS engine, 853 cubic centimeters parallel twin, 4-stroke. Power, approximately 77 horsepower. Torque, 83 Newton meters. Transmission, 6-speed. Fuel capacity, 15 liters. Seat height, 815 millimeters, adjustable. Curb weight, 224 kilograms. Suspension, inverted telescopic fork, front, adjustable rear suspension. Brakes, dual 305mm discs, front, single 265mm disc, rear. Electronics, ABS, traction control, riding modes. Building on the success of its predecessor, the Suzuki V-Strom 800 Touring enhances the adventure experience with a 776 cubic centimeters V-twin engine. Its updated design focuses on both performance and comfort, with improved suspension, a more robust chassis, and enhanced electronics. The V-Strom 800 Touring is well equipped for long journeys and challenging trails, offering a blend of reliability and innovation. Suzuki V-Strom 800 Touring engine, 776 cubic centimeters V-twin, 4-stroke. Power, approximately 83 horsepower. Torque, 78 Newton meters. Transmission, 6-speed. Fuel capacity, 20 liters. Seat height, 850 millimeters. Curb weight, 235 kilograms. Suspension, telescopic fork, front, link-type rear suspension. Brakes, dual 310mm discs, front, single 260mm disc, rear. Electronics, ABS, traction control, adjustable windscreen. The BMW F850 GS is a top contender in the midsize adventure bike category. Featuring an 853 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, it strikes a balance between power and manageability. Its dynamic ESA suspension system and advanced electronics provide excellent handling and comfort on varied terrain. The F850 GS also offers a range of customizable features, making it suitable for both serious off-roaders and long-distance tourers. BMW F850 GS engine, 853 cubic centimeters parallel twin, 4-stroke. Power, approximately 90 horsepower. Torque, 92 Newton meters. Transmission, 6-speed. Fuel capacity, 15 liters. Seat height, 860 millimeters, adjustable. Curb weight, 229 kilograms. Suspension, inverted telescopic fork, front, adjustable rear suspension. Brakes, dual 305mm discs, front, single 265mm disc, rear. Electronics, ABS, traction control, dynamic ESA, riding modes.